Not many things are loved by majority of people in the world than just laying around and playing games all day. And when you can get paid from that, that's the dream. In today's world, it's certainly possible to earn money by playing video games. But exactly are the steps on how to make money playing games in 2022? In truth, doing so is actually hard work. Earning your primary income by playing games is not something I'd recommend unless you are young, single, and willing to commit several years knowing that it may all be for nothing. But it's certainly possible. And with that said, I'm going to show you how to make money playing games in 2022. Make Money Olivia. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you could be the very first to watch every new update I have for you on how to make money online. It's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. You can use this free app to earn up to $100,000 just by playing games on it. And you have people from all over the world already making thousands of dollars with it. These apps are available for both iOS and Android, and anyone can install them for free. But first, in order to maximize your results and earn more money, I will show you 3 different apps that you can install on your smartphone device and start making money today. The last app I will show you has paid out over $11 million in total. Starting with the first app, you can win different prizes, starting from a contest worth up to $1 million in cash. 3 finalists will be selected. Each will win $5,000 guaranteed. From those 3 finalists, 1 grand prize finalist will be selected to crack the code and have a chance to win $1 million. Now, obviously, this is not guaranteed, but you do have a chance to win $1 million, which is huge for an absolutely free game. Just winning the $5,000 finalist cash prize would still be huge. Still on the topic on how to make money playing games in 2022. The second option that they have on this platform, Sweet Money, is a $100,000 contest. Enter the Sweet Money contest for your chance to win up to $100,000 cash. 1 finalist will be selected to play our Sweet Money virtual game and have a chance to win up to $100,000. And this game is really fun and interesting. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to provide any service. Since you don't have to film yourself on camera or invest any money, but you still have a chance to win big with this app. They also have different prizes, which you can win, so it's definitely a great app to install. Right here, you can see that 1 million different people from all over the world have made money with this app by just playing games on their phones. Real winners daily, you can win up to $10,000 instantly and enter great contests every day. Now, if you are wondering just how and why this app actually pays people to play those video games, it's because they will be showing some ads within those games, and they're pretty much splitting the other revenue with their users. Exactly how YouTube works. And you should know how massive the advertising industry is today. Ad revenue is one of the absolute bet ways on how to make money playing games in 2022. So it's a great strategy because as they're making a lot of money, you are also making money just by playing a game. You can earn tokens as you play and save them to redeem for gift cards from over 30 major brands and retailers. This platform has been featured on some of the top media sources like Discovery Channel and Yahoo. There's this huge potential within these apps as it can see that it is available for both iOS and Android. The name of this first app is Lucktastic. You can also just try to find it in the App Store or Google Play Store and install it to your smartphone device. Be sure to stay tuned for more ways on how to make money playing games in 2022. The second app, which you can use to make money just by playing video games on your phone, is called Big Time. This is not the one that has paid out over $11 million in total, so stay tuned to see which one has. Here, you can win cash by playing free games, and this also is done by a share back their revenue. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. They'd show you ads within the app and the game while you're playing it. Good news, this one is also available on iPhones and Android phones. You can choose of the many different games in Big Time and collect tons of tickets while playing those games. So can use those tickets to enter the competitions and contests in order to win cash prizes. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and the winner is drawn. Every single day, you have a chance to win some cash prize, so don't worry about it. Now, here we can see all of the different games, which you can play within the app in order to earn those tickets, which you can redeem for real cash prizes. And all these games are pretty fun and interesting. This is an overall great app that I highly recommend. Here, you can see the latest winners and how much they've been making. As you can see, this guy from USA made $3,335, and this lady from Spain, $3,375. You have many more people from all over the world making big money with this app just by playing games on their phone. So it's definitely a great one, and there's a lot of money to be made with it. To download this app, visit winnergames.com. That's winrgames.com. Play games, earn tickets, and win real cash prizes. The third and final app on how to make money playing games in 2022, MISTPLAY. This is a place where we can earn rewards in exchange for Amazon, Visa, Google Play gift cards, and many others. The one thing that makes this app different is that you will actually be given new games that are recommended just for you. So it would give you a highly targeted game, which you're probably interested in. You would tell them what games you love, what you would like to play, and they will give you those games to play. That makes it an even more fun process of making money with this app. Step 1 is to discover new games recommended just for you. Step 2, play those games and collect those units. The longer you play, the more you earn. And then step 3, redeem rewards with those units for real cash. Redeem your units for awesome rewards. Every single week, they have new contests. Here you can see, enter for a chance to win the grand prize. Every week we launch a new contest, and the last contest for each month offers an epic grand prize. What also makes this app really unique and great is that you can play with friends and also make new ones. This is really great because this app has an in-app social experience that allows you to see what your friends are playing, compete with them on the leaderboards, or just kick back and have a chat with them. You can see what people are saying about the app. People are already using this app to earn rewards and money. The app is really well made and runs without any issues. Now, unfortunately, this app is currently only available for Android in the Google Play Store. Anyway, head up to MISTPLAY.com to sign up now to join in the over $11 million having been paid out till date.